fucking touch me. Jesus, bruv, I swear to God, Jesus nothing. What's your badge number? This is Jeff, Bruv, touch me and I will smash your face in. This is Jeff's badge number. Bruv, I swear I'll fucking swing on you. I'll swing on you. Don't touch me. Don't beg me for. What are you begging me for?
Wonder shall never end, my country people. This Nigerian man, where they catch for UK, United Kingdom, with one small where it be 15, maybe I go talk and rich because of whitey. Police don't already arrest him. He don't dey inside kiri as I dey talk to una. So my people, this man go dey chat. Una know what to be chatting now. Go dey chat, dey toast small pikin, my people. And this man na married responsible man. You no know say na him with the papa dey chat. Better pikin, I too like them. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depends on the time una take dey watch me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My people, I come across this video for YouTube when I dey waka kurukere dey go. The suffer dey my lane dey go. Now I see this video where one UK man, one Britico take catch this married Nigerian man wey shout Jesus when the man catch her red-handed. Now some of you chatting be this one, my people. I no understand what can dey happen nowadays. They say men, they born man with cheat. That all men are born to cheat. But this one, come land for kiri. This man a married man, a responsible married man with children for house, my people. But unfortunate, in cassava come carry am, go land am for one kind big mess because of say the one way he get, he no reach am. You understand? So now police don't already come inside the matter. I take play, my people. I like children with this man. I like pikin where they listen to his parents. I like pikin where they cooperate with his papa and his mama. You understand? So this one a lesson to all mothers, all fathers. Make your pikin trust you. Make your pikin know. They tell you everything about them. I could like Oibo pikin them. The way they train them. You understand? I bet Nigerian people, may we train our own pikin like that. You get one video when I come across for YouTube, for Facebook. I don't know whether if I bring that video come here, whether you will agree. Because what happen for there, those small pikin them, those nursery school pikin, then come they sing say, if anybody touch their bekus or touch their bonbon, they go tell their mama, tell their papa, because they say nobody should touch me. And sure say me a lot of people go don't watch that video. You understand? I like him because why I talk him and because of what happen for here. This man, this chat one they see for here. So now the chat where this man tell they chat with this girl where be 15, where the man don't even know say a papa go even know. He want tell me say he no know. You understand? Because pikin where they born for here, na fertilizer they say they cocoa them. You understand? Because the food where they eat, na fertilizer food, na make them they grow. So beneath they talk and say our ya okanoma o hawa ya zo. This man know say this pikin when they talk to say na small omo na the omo be. You understand? Because of say in cassava one put am for problem. Because of say you want eat okbolo, eat egusi. When you know say you not get money, why you go the demand for different soup? Sew your coat according to your size, not be according to your material again. Una understand, my people? Now this matter enter one chance for one Britico man hand for United Kingdom. I like the way the man do one. The man collect a badge. Waiting play for them for the past 2 months. Now this man don dey chat with this small pikin wey never reach 18. He dey chat with am ever since then. You no know say na him papa na him dey receive all the chatting. Because the pikin confide in papa say, see wetin happen. Just like those days when we dey small pikin. Wetin dey happen that time when we dey small. My mommy and my senior sister, the way they teach me say if any man near me for inside bus when I dey grow dey come, if he lap touch my lap, if he hand touch my hand, if I sit down close to am for inside bus, I don't catch am for belle be that one. So because of that one, if I dey enter bus, any man that is I sit down for bus, the next person na man, I go come down trek go school. Why? Because I know when me I catch belle. Una remember those days, they will tell you once you don't already enter adulthood, you don't already they see your flower. Now waiting your parents will tell you be that one. You understand? So Africa, oh, different from Oibo, oh my people. But this one now, if mama teach am, papa teach am well how to go about and say, once you catch belle for this 15, your career for life, you don't budget be that one. This Nigerian man wey say im get wife for house don enter one chance for britico hand. Na e badge be this one. So people wey dey UK, they know the type of work wey this man dey work. Na im security badge be this one. They wey dey take identify am for work. You understand? Wetin happen? As this man dey chat with this small pikin, ever since then, he never come their house. You know, say for relationship, if man dey talk to you, if they never conclude, say, I will friend you, I love you, the man no go come your house. You understand? Or no, you know, go your house. But after una don fall in love, una don love each other finish, now one go say make go find man. Now this man, they say one day monkey go market, you know, go come back again. So the very detail where this man want go track this small omo for house, as he go track am for house, now papa come outside. The man feel say na the girl he want contract. You understand? He just dey work. Some men wey dey from work they go side chick house. You dey from work they go your side chicken house. Now one day you will enter inside stew. You know go jump out again. You will enter inside stew. You know go like to come out again because since you dey like to dey go your side chicken house. Now so this man take enter inside bolo soup where you dey so. My people. As I dey talk to now, so this man don already dey alagmo for UK. No say na UK still get alagmo, and then colonizer. So everything we get for Nigeria, e dey inside UK, my people. They go say you don't go UK before. Me they tell you, if na lie, make una ask Mama Eliza. He will explain everything give una because now she come that year, come colonize us. You understand? Okay, oh my people. So this man na come carry papa leg and the mama leg. Where he dey go? He wan go inside chicken house. As he reach there. You don't know say if the girl don't already give the phone to papa, say papa know everything about the chatting and everything. My people, video day now all their chatting be this one. The way the man take dey reply, you understand? Una understand my country people? Now so the matter takes up. Now the man hold on. Uriye edokpa imijobi. Now wetin happen be that one. And the man hold on say, you are going nowhere today. Then the man come dey shout, Jesus, Jesus. When the man come tell him say, it say maybe the man dey joke. Then the man hold on. You know, say if you catch thief, you need to hold on red-handed. Because if the thief run, leave you. Just the way Nigeria take hold Buhari concerning what they happen for Nigeria. They hold Buhari red-handed because that man don't hold. If he run, if the man escape, forget story. My people, now so the matter happen. No. At the end, the man come dey shout Jesus. When the man begin to ask him, what is your name? Are you married? The man come dey say, yes, I'm married. You are married, you want get side chicken. You don't know the type of side chicken wey you want carry. You can't say na small or more wey just dey 18. Now they are chatting be this one. All waiting they write to each other be this one. You know say na papa. Now they reply. You understand? So me where they like to they chat with people for online Facebook. They know they use I see fine girl. You see pikin where they born for you. You're supposed to know say this one he never mature. You understand? Where he here work or na hina. No, una no care. Now so this matter enter kiri of my people. Now so if you enter a word doors, we need to talk am. So at the end of the story, as I dey talk to una so, now this man take carry leg enter the house. As he reach house, the papa hold am. Now so the man start to the video run. Now the man tell am say if you run, una go see am for the video for there. You get pikin, you get wife. Wetin be your name for your badge? Now the man quickly draw the badge to identify this very man. So now they tell and say the man they work for better office because of say he cassava big person. They jump up and down for inside trouser. So now so it happen. Abeg, if you know say this man na your husband, your uncle, make una gather here, make una come lis ten to wetin una brother do. Na small pikin na this man be one mujara for United Kingdom wey no law well well. Why I bring this video come out, my people? Na advice now I wan advise parents. Be your pikin best friend. Father, be your pikin best friend. You wey dey go Africa shop go dey sit down till 1 o'clock. No. Once your pikin don come back for school, rush go house, still go play with am. Teach am some kind things before you still go back out again. You understand? No be say when you dey carry your pikin go school, now you with am dey chat together. No. Always get time for your children. So that make you teach them some kind things. You understand? If to say this man, this British man, not teach a pikin better something, na so this man for your shop that pikin for free. If for your break a V for free. So make your pikin be your friend so that you go feel your pikin will feel free. They explain everything where they happen for inside this ogbonge what they give you, so that your pikin no fit go astray. You understand? Now make oyibo pikin dey if dem catch belle, their parents dey tell them make dem born now. They no dey put fear for their body. But if na Africa, they go put all your clothes for inside Ghana must go. If you even see the Ghana must go, say you now dey carry go, fear go first catch you. The shame and everything. You understand? The way they take they drag you follow body for street, everything go tire you. So now make some people they shame. You understand? So my people, I beg, make una be, we wey dey Europe, we wey dey advanced world, may we learn how to be our pikin friend. You understand? Where our pikin go, they tell us free things. Where our pikin go, they tell us free things. In the sense, say like this kind of situation now. If to say the pikin no talk to a papa now, say he no confide in father. Now so this man for yours use am for nothing, because you just see and say the pikin na he hear wukbo. In the sense, say he grow past the age. When you get wife for house, I not to say me you not cheat too, because you don't already do your DNA. You understand? If they look your DNA now, it dey inside. So no need of me AB World Entertainment telling you not to cheat, because it dey inside your DNA. Cheat, but not be this kind small pikin there. Because the kind jail when this guy want go for UK, 165 years, I'm not sure say this guy will come outside. I don't even know the trap wait for come. Now only Jesus now here for him mouth. Because he know say he don't enter doom. He know say he don't already enter Palaba for United. Wetin they know this thing wey him do so. Now then they put person for inside a word or put. This very something wey him do so. It dey very bad. This one and rapi na very bad thing for United Kingdom. Not be only for United Kingdom, for all over the world. Even Africa now said they don't even they carry hand. They want try to make that country a lawful country. You understand? Because all these ministers, this and minister that, they don't they see and say now only Africa now only Nigeria can be the last country we not get law. They don't they try put everything in system, but that corruption, I don't know when they want to remove that one. So now the badge of this man be this one. You dey chat with person, you no know say na small pikin according to him. He say no say na small pikin, say na underage. Now in dey chat with pikin wey never reach 18, just 15. You dey come, you wan come zanzan for inside papa house. What you make this man come that area? And if they work, in just take break. I go eat apple for afternoon. Me for fit get strength to finish the remaining hours when he get for the rest of the day. So I beg my people, maybe they lecture our old pikin them. Maybe they lecture them. They make them be our friend. You understand? Call them, not the way Africa they teach us. Say just like that story when I talk just now. Say if you sit down near a man for inside bus, you don't catch belle. No, not be so it be. teach your children then. Say this if you don't enter adulthood, see what you supposed to do, see what you supposed to do. No be say person don already dey see flower. The next thing na if you sit down near person for bus, you don catch belle be that one. Because Africa no know as they want to explain and give you well, you understand? Now wetin happen be that one. So you know, see as this man take disgrace his wife and his children for that UK, you no even go for better pikin. That sorry guys, say I talk like that. Say better mature babe, you understand? Okpo dey there. You go even see all these old women. No, all those are not the streets. You won't be how they tell you talk you want make your name dey Guinness Book of Records say na you vandalize small pikin, so that your friends for work go dey hear you say yes, oh guy you try, oh you break record. Thank God you break the record now. You break am, so you need to carry the pieces. You need to carry the pieces. My people, if you are in this Botoki shoe, what will you do? Will you take the same action that this man take? Wetin this man do? He do am well, abi he no do am well? As a father, he try. If you dey their shoe, will you take this step that this man take? If na me, I go do pass this one. I go do pass this one because other girls dey outside. So this man need to be taught a lesson. This thing first still happen for UK when the same thing still happen to one guy, one Oyibo, but this man no use that one take learn. He wan break record. Say Nigeria person na so baba thing they tell the know Nigeria person. Abeg una dey comot una hand for baba things. I just like wetin this Botoki do to this man. So my people, I no go too take for this video. The only advice when I give una say make una pikin una best friend, so that una pikin go fit dey relate with una. They fit dey tell una everything about them. You understand? Working is not everything. You wan go work bring money, no. So now so I see this matter reach. So any update about this issue, I promise to bring it to you people. So God bless everyone. Please, if today happens to be the first time when you come across this video, I bet me you try, me you watch, subscribe, and also on your notification bell, so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you everyone. May God bless you all. Share this video. See you soon in my next video. The video is about to be released so that people will see how the whole thing play. You will hear how the man was pleading, asking the Botoki to forgive him, that he will not do it again. Say na devil work. When devil dey northern Nigeria, they fight the good bandits. Now you talk say na devil na he push you for UK. Abeg, devil no dey UK. He dey northern Nigeria. He dey Sabisa Forest. They fight the good bandits. No, say if we call them bad bandits, they no go repent. So see you guys soon in my next video. Stay blessed and remain blessed. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. Cheers everyone. Bye. Love you.
Jeff, how you doing? You okay? How you doing? You okay?
Yeah,
good to see you. Yeah. What's your badge number, Jeff?
Please.
Please, nothing.
Can I-
No. What's your badge number?
Can I beg you?
What's your badge?
Please.
Touch me, I'll smack your face off.
Please.
What's your badge number?
Please,
What's
I
your?
won't be on my-
Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Jesus.
Jesus, bruv, I swear to God, Jesus, nothing. What's your badge number? This is Jeff. Bruv, touch me and I will smash your face in. This is just badge number. Bruv, I swear I'll fucking swing on you. I'll swing on you. Don't touch me. Don't beg me for.
Please.
What are you begging me for?
Please.
What are you begging me for? What are you begging me for? This is just badge number. Works for Lambeth. Civil enforcement engineer. Yeah, officer. The man works for. Believe me, lucky about butt head. Pussy. You pushed her on the floor. She's a 15-year-old girl. Brother, you married, yeah? Not anymore. Not for much longer. Come near me and say I'll fucking rip your head off. Tell fireman to fall back, cuz. You don't do this. This is your done, rude boy.
I'm sorry.
What is, bruv, come near me and say I'll break your neck.
Boss, you
Boss, nothing, bro. This is my fucking daughter.
I swear with my life, I
Bruv,
never do. He's
bro,
a bad
whoever you worship, they don't work around there.
No.
Come near me, see if I'll break your neck, cuz. You're finished, bro. Why have you been talking to a 15-year-old little girl?
No.
She told you she was 15.
I told her to go stay away
No,
from
you
me.
didn't. You said you want to get to know me.
15-year-old little girl. He's harassed her on Friday, got her phone number, I've been texting her. Yeah, she said she was 15. Meanwhile, he didn't realise he was texting me. He's been waiting for her yesterday, followed her, waited for her today.
Just stay there, we'll get the police on the way.
The police are coming. Bro, yeah, good. Because I called police, I've reported it. They said they weren't able
See,
to...
if you blocks up with you,
Huh?
he's going to walk away. You know?
No, it's fine. No, I appreciate that,
So you calm down.
Yeah, I'm calm.
Calm
I'm
down,
calm.
sweetheart.
I'm calm.
Chill out, mate. Why don't you have a little sit down?
Go inside and sit down, mate.
Just, mate, mate, just come and sit. Sit yourself down.